I think in business, you do have to actually believe that this could become the biggest thing. You have to put your mind there. And one, that's incredible for your self-confidence to be like, if you're starting a business, pretend it's about to be Apple. Envision and who you're sitting next to. Do you want to be there with them or willing to get there and sacrifice certain things in your personal life to get there? Like whether it's a duo or a singular person, like you actually have to envision yourself at the end line and at your goal.